Blue Point Preserve, the trail goes down to Scarborough Marsh, this amazing salt marsh that is just full of life. This is such a nice spot. It really is this little jewel of green space that provides for these migratory birds moving up the coast to rest and find food. Just an amazing place to be. Yeah, we just saw a Baltimore oriole, a migrant that has come back from the tropics. So it's a neotropical migrant. Probably spent the winter in Panama or Costa Rica or somewhere, and just got back to the coast of Maine. A beautiful, just bright orange and black male of the species. And they'll be nesting here. They'll start making their nest pretty soon. Spend the summer, raise their family, and then off to the tropics again. Actually, that doesn't sound too bad. Some birds will even have more than one nest or more than one clutch.